And that is why we believe lifting the two-child cap is the right thing to do.
But less than 8 months later, they've U-turned, despite knowing what this means for our families. Dyw Reform ddim yn becso am wyt ti dlodi plant, y llai weithoch chi, dim ond pŵer sydd o ddiddordeb iddyn nhw. But as more failed Tories pile into the party, it's no wonder that the policies mirror exactly what the Tories had. Yng Nghymru, ni'n disgwyl I dlodi plant I gynyddu I 34% erbyn 2029, dros 1 mewn 3 o bob un plentyn sydd yn byw yng Nghymru. Getting to grips with child poverty is a moral obligation. It's not a political choice. Reform UK may be content to do nothing, but that's not an option for Plaid Cymru. We are serious about tackling child poverty, and that's why Plaid Cymru are going even further with this. Our transformational direct weekly payments through Cynnal will provide support to those who need it most. Our proposal is based on the Scottish child payment, and it's working because Scotland is the only country in the UK where child poverty rates are falling. Ymys Mai gall bobl ethol Llywodraeth Plaid Cymru, un sydd yn poeni am gweld yn cymunedau'n ffynnu, ac un sydd o ddifri I dynnu plant allan o dlodi.